What's going on, guys? So, recently I just bought the Hannah and Evelyn kit because they're both 3.99 Robux. So yeah, I just bought it. Um, uh, so what I'm gonna do is see which kit is really better, Hannah or Lumen. So, Hannah is activate your execute ability to defeat nearby enemy with low health, and Evelyn is damage enemies to nearby spirits. Consume spirits to instantly teleport and gain an attack buff for a short duration. So first I'm gonna use Evelyn with the kit skin and go to a custom match because why not? Mm. Why not? And I'm gonna be seeing testing with this kit with the most armor. So, and yeah, we're going, and my ult's not teleporting for some reason. Yeah, now he is. So I'm gonna be red, and my ult's gonna be blue. So start match. And what I'm gonna do is go to other base. So just spawn. Oh, what was this? Spawn white score. Sorry, underscore. Bro, what is happening? Underscore wool if. Not working. Okay. So spawn wool if. The kappas. Okay, here's, I don't care honestly. Here are some blocks. I'm gonna test this out. So 1, 2, teleport to player soul. Just kill him. And now once I kill him, I get a speed buff. Once he respawns, I can just kill him. So now what I'm gonna do is give him some M's. DM1. Emerald. I'm just gonna spawn myself a ton. Okay, here is I'm putting the chest. Hunting. Here is the chest. F. Please click it. Click it. F. Yes. Okay. Then after I'm gonna give him some iron. Spawn iron F. I'm just gonna spawn him a lot. Let's see how much he gets because you need 170 iron to get both iron armor and wool, leather armor. So yeah, the stupid Roblox animation sucks. Just get this iron real quick, and then after, there you go, a lot. So now what I'm gonna do is get some wool, leather armor, and let him heal. Let him heal real quick. Yeah, he's 100. And now if I do only one, sorry. Wait, so let me see real quick. So if I do one hit on him, when does it activate? Oh, I didn't activate it. Oh man. Let me go back once. Okay. Okay. Oh, it didn't activate. Man. Mankind. So I'm just gonna put some iron in the ultimate chest. And now let's see how much it does with how many hits does it take to get salt and iron armor. So there you go. Put my stuff in the chest. And there you go. Okay. Okay, so about I would say about like 4 hits. And then I can just kill him right here. I'll go spawn here. And after, take that. It's not gonna let me spawn it. Spawn piece. So we now have that. Now let's try to see diamond armor. How many hits does it take? So that was about 5 hits. It's not so 100, right? 92, 84, or 76, 76, 68, 60. So about 5 hits. That's actually not bad. 5 hits is actually not that bad. But I think they can just run away. So it's not really such an waste. It's not really a waste. My chest. And now let's see. So we got 7, that's 2, 3, 4. 4 hits. So man. And 10 damage, and I can just kill him. Ooh, kill him. I have 166 iron from the gen. I'm gonna put tier 3 gen. Yeah, I can just kill this guy without no ammo. And finally, let's see emerald armor because that's what I really want to see. How many hits does it take? So iron 5, leather 2, and the leather 1, normal 2, iron is 4, and diamond is 4. Man, I think it's just like the game since I'm in a custom match. So 4, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hits to get activated hits. It's not bad, but I can get it. Now I can just kill this guy, get the ends, and after this break his bed and go leave the game. Yeah, who cares? Because I've creative mode on. I'm just gonna do is I have creative mode, yeah. Rage blade. Just kill this guy. Okay. Can I get his bed? Yeah, I'm gonna try to get his bed. You see my alt moving? I'm trying to get my bed because I have creative mode on, so I can't get his bed. And now, jump into the void. And now we're gonna see the Hannah kit because I want to see how good the Hannah kit is. Okay, let's teleport back. Teleport. Okay, I have to teleport myself. No. Oh, it's a teleport. Matchmaking. No. Okay, I have to rejoin. Can't be in the same party as my alt. So now I have to be Hannah kit. Hannah kit, and this time I'm still use the kit skin. I'm gonna invite this guy to the party. And go. No. Hype, I should say. Doubles. So I just bought these 2 kits yesterday because they're both $3.99. If I bought them before the update yesterday, then I only get 1 kit too, which was very bad. So I'm gonna let my alt be red because I'm blue. And let's start and look at this Hannah kit. And you start with 90 health, which is actually pretty good, not gonna lie. Because you need to do a lot of stuff. So what I'm gonna do is this time not do GM1. and just spawn myself inf iron. Spawn iron inf. And just get like 1,000,000 blocks. Go here. And like the same thing, I'm gonna see how many hits does it take to get the execute blood and how much damage it does. So now let's do normal. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, and then 999 damage. Combo 1, okay. So now what I'm gonna do is spawn this guy, this guy, co-host. Oh, it's mine, sorry. Slash spawn iron inf. Because I have inf iron right now. Somebody's gonna get leather armor and put my iron in the chest because I don't want to lose it. We don't want to lose it. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is see. Okay, so that was 4 hits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and still 999 damage. So 4 hits for normal, 6 hits for leather. Now I'm gonna try iron armor, and I think it's gonna be 7. I don't know. It's probably the same or 7. Mostly though, I'm not sure, and I don't care about this anymore because I don't need. So 6 hits and 4 hits. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 hits. 10 hits. I think it get whatever it hits when it gets to 20 health, because when I see all of them it says 20 health. So what I'm gonna do now is spawn emerald inf. Not emeralds inf. So what I'm gonna do is get myself diamond armor. See, and put my iron in the my emeralds in the chest. And let's see. So 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 hits and 999 damage. So now, last but not least, we have emerald armor. So I get my emerald inf, get myself emerald armor, and after this, don't care. So 4 hits for normal, 6 hits for leather, 10 hits for iron, and then 12 hits for diamond. So okay, so let me heal myself again because I forgot to do it. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 24 hits. Man. 24. I think it's because I have a regular sword, so let me try let me spawn myself diamond. Spawn diamond inf. Just get myself emerald sword, and let's see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I see 9. So with the normal sword is the hits I just said before, plus the 24 hits for emerald armor with the wooden sword. So yeah, I'm gonna try doing this with every sword with the Hannah kit and every sword with the Evelyn kit. Yeah, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. See y'all next time. Goodbye.